Krishang Talks. How are you all doing, friends? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to discuss a lesson. The lesson name is playing with magnets. Have you ever played with a magnet? If you might have, now let's discover how it was made into being. So, 2,500 years before, one guy named Magnus, he was a shepherd and he had a little iron thing at the bottom of his stick. So one day he was sitting near a pond and he was keeping that iron things to some stones. So magically he saw that the stones were attracting that. That was lodestone. It is a naturally occurring magnet that is made naturally from the earth. Magnets are of mainly four shapes. One is ring magnet, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, and disc magnet. You might have gone and stick the magnet to different objects. Some objects will stick and some objects will not stick. The objects that will stick are called magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are the materials that can stick to the magnet. Non-magnetic materials are the materials that will not stick to a magnet. Magnetic materials are example of iron, cobalt, and nickel. Non-magnetic materials are example of wood, paper, aluminium, copper, etc. You might have seen iron fillings, right? Do an activity. Keep a paper on the top of a paper, keep the iron fillings, and at the bottom of the paper, keep the magnet. You might have observed that more of the iron fillings will stick to the poles of the magnet, to the edges of the magnet. Those are called the poles of that magnet. They have more stronger magnetic attraction than the other parts of that magnet. Did you know that you can find the directions with a magnet? To find the directions, then put it to the bar magnet and hang it somewhere. Then that bar magnet will automatically, the north side will turn to the north pole of the magnet. This is because the north pole will be attracted, and because the geographic north pole is in the north side, that magnet, the bar magnet, will show the north pole automatically. With this is exactly how a real compass works. In a magnetic compass, there is one small box with a glass case on it. Then they will put a magnet in the place so that it can rotate freely, and they put a glass on top of it to prevent it from falling. So with that, you can find the directions with a magnet. Now let's discuss about the attraction and repulsion between two magnets. So when they are unlike poles in magnets, that means north and south, they will attract each other. Remember, the unlike poles will attract each other. What about the like poles? It's the complete opposite. They will repel each other. The unlike poles will repel each other. For example, north and north will repel each other, and south will also repel each other. So now let's talk about why the magnet will show the north pole from the north. Actually, it is the south pole, but as the north is pointing to the south pole, we call it as the geographic north pole. The same goes to the south pole. It's actually a north pole, but it's actually the geographic south pole. Are you curious to make a magnet yourself? If you are, then this is for you. So, if you want to make a magnet, then take an iron nail. Remember that it should not attract anything in the first place. Then it is not a magnet. Then rub the magnet to the nail. Then it will become magnetized and it will also become a magnet. With this property, you can create your own magnetic compass. So all you have to do is mix a glass of water, and you need to keep one thing so that nail can rest on, and that nail will turn according to the north and south pole. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and share to all my videos, and also subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. I'll see you next time in my next video.